have another midweek treat for you. This one actually happened back when it was still cold. Sorry about the portrait style, but I mean, it's pretty cool. It's just a simple road call like what I normally do a lot of anymore. Glad Hand, they're trying to sell a trailer, so they need to be able to move it. And check it out. My first time looking at it too. This is, they're trying to sell it. Well, that don't help, does it? I haven't seen this one before. I wonder what they're asking. Half your load's gonna sprinkle on the ground. Unless it's garbage. Oh yeah, it looks like garbage in there. Oh, what the heck? I'm gonna air these tires up, make sure these brakes release. I don't even carry this many lights. Joking. April 18. They want to buy this? Can't even check it out. Wonderful. Just kind of lowered that in there. Grab that junk with vice grips. This is what I use to check with. If necessary, I can use it. But I've got this one. It's universal. It's not really red or blue, but it goes in there. Like this goes in there like a red one. So I put this one on there. Might have to give up my grommet. It's not the end of the world. I probably got another one I test with I can use instead. Come on, fit.
Guilford College Animal Hospital.
Hi, I'm Andy Puttifer, the host of a brand new podcast called Radio Headspace. I'd love it if you could join me to start the day in a different way.
All right, that's gonna go.
Whether you like to think of it as a thought.
I leak here. Skeeties. Too cold for them right now. It's like 61 or something. Kind of got my nipples out. Well, you can't tell. I'm a little too sexy for this shirt today, though. Kind of tight. Come on, do something. Single chambers in the back. Stupid. Double in the front. 50/50s. Get those springs. They don't weigh much. At least they're not broken. I'm gonna let this air up for a while, and then I don't know, maybe I'll go in front of my truck and do some shuffle dancing for a while. Okay, so I think I'm good. I don't know if he wants lights on here or an inspection. I know he's trying to sell it. Let me know, Mark. I'll send you this video. These tires all kicked well. The other side seems a little fuddy, but there's air in them. So then get back down in here. The front axle releases really well. The back one releases, but it doesn't apply because there's only, I don't get it, but single pancake type chambers back there. But, you know, it'll let you go down the road. This one here's a little fuddy, but it's got air in it, so they all kind of could use 20 pounds. Let me know what you want to do. How critical are the lights? You ain't planning on using it, so just selling it, right? Just let me know. It's sprinkling on me now, so when you check it out, just give me a heads up.